TikTok Shop is absolutely exploding right now with the upcoming Christmas season, and people everywhere are making life-changing money. For example, this creator, who by the way only has 6,000 followers, has literally generated over $40,000 in sales just on TikTok Shop affiliate. Which, by the way, the vast majority of that money has been made today. So if you guys don't believe that you can't make life-changing money with TikTok Shop affiliate, this video is here to prove you wrong. Because as a 7-figure entrepreneur, I know for a fact that TikTok Shop, and specifically TikTok Shop affiliate, is without a doubt one of the best side hustles for people to get into in 2024. But I can say for a fact, as someone who has been in this game for a long time, that there is a lot of opportunity missed inside of TikTok Shop affiliate because of one thing that people get wrong. And that one thing that people get wrong is that they are promoting the wrong products. For example, this lady right here, who has made, by the way, over $40,000 on TikTok Shop affiliate, had a video that blew up on TikTok. As we can see right here, it got over 800,000 views, which, by the way, if you guys literally just copy and paste this video that she made, I guarantee you that you would see similar results. And she sold over 1.7 thousand units. But this product right here that she was promoting only has a commission rate of 15%. But by using a tool that not many people know about, that I'm going to be showing you in this video, you guys can easily find products that have a much higher commission rate, meaning that let's say you have a viral video like her, you can find a product that has a 30% commission rate instead of the 15% commission rate of this one, meaning that you guys would literally make double the amount of money that she did. The tool that we are going to be using is going to be called Fastmoss, which, by the way, if you guys watch till the end of this video, I actually have a huge discount on a Fastmoss Pro plan, but you guys can use the free version. But if you watch till the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a 2-week free trial. I would recommend using Fastmoss. It's the best TikTok Shop affiliate software out there right now because they literally have every single piece of data that you guys need in order to be succeeding. For example, if we go to their top selling product search, we can go ahead and check out a bunch of high performing products right now. For example, we can look for the top selling products, we can look for the new listed products, and we can also look for the videos that are doing the best. But if we check this out right here, we can also see the products that are being promoted the most. For example, this ashwagandha and vitamin D gummy product is the #1 top selling US product with over 400,000 units sold and 7,000 affiliates with a commission rate of 20%, meaning that you guys will be making about $4 per sale. If we go ahead and scroll down, and this is why I like Fastmoss so much, because we can go ahead and actually see what the highest performing videos are. We could actually click on this video right here, and if we click right here, we can actually check out what this video is. Now guys, I went ahead and actually watched this video before I'm showing it to you right now, and there's a lot of very, very smart things that you guys can take and then apply for your own TikTok Shop affiliate page. So first off, let's go ahead and get a couple things out of the way with this video. The first thing that happened in this video is that there is a huge hook. She was pointing at the top right here, and we can see Ellen DeGeneres right here, and it says timeline, the scandal that brought down Ellen DeGeneres' talk show. So since this video is about vitamin gummies, this is huge, massive clickbait. But the crazy thing about clickbait on TikTok Shop is that this video got over 11 million views and literally sold 1.9 thousand units, which means that at a commission rate of 20%, this lady made at a minimum $40,000 from this one video. There is real money to be made in this space. She also said something insane like, this clip is worse than any Diddy tape. There is no way anything that Ellen DeGeneres did is worse than Diddy. That guy literally... And literally the only thing that was going on in this video is that this lady was just yapping about her vitamin gummies, and she's like selling them here. And then this chick right here basically just backs her up by putting in all these studies, and she has this guy who looks official yap about how good the product is, and then she yaps about it a bit more. And another thing to mention about this video is that it's over 2 minutes long, and at the end it has a really, really good sell because she's saying that this is the perfect thing and everybody should be getting on ashwagandha or whatever, and that you should be taking it, and if you use the TikTok Shop link, you're gonna get a huge... there you go. I don't even know when this video was going to end, and I already knew exactly what the sales pitch is going to be. I've been around the ringer enough. I know exactly how to do this stuff. And she just says if you just click on the 3-bill bundle, then you guys will have a 90 days, and then that's when you're going to see the most results. And then boom, from this video that probably took her not even 20 minutes to put together, she made over $40,000 in commission. And if you actually check out any of the highest performing videos on any of these supplements, there is a pretty common hook. Like for example, if we check out this one, there's a couple things that are very, very similar about this video as compared to the other video. First off, it says attention. It's got a big hook right there, even though this is in Spanish. Let's just pretend it's in English. It shows the election. Oh my God, Donald Trump and Kamala. And it's also very, very long. This video is over 2 minutes. And then this other video is also over 2 minutes. If you guys don't know how TikTok works, if you have a longer video, that's generally going to be better, because TikTok will always promote a video that is longer, that is doing well, because that means that people are going to be on the platform for a longer amount of time. You can also see the amount of commission that she got for this video right here with Fastmoss. It says right here that about $50,000 was generated from that one video, which is insane. Also, we can see where the most amount of units are being sold for this product specifically. A lot of sales are coming from TikTok Live. So let's go ahead and check out the highest performing ones. This one did really, really well. It lasted for about 10 hours. We can go ahead and check it out if it's still going. This one did really, really well. This one went for about 6 hours long, and it's done by this guy right here, Grayson Deals. If we go ahead and click on the TikTok creator homepage, we can see right here, he's got about 40,000 followers, and he just has a bunch of videos about TikTok Shop. And if we go ahead and check this out using Fastmoss, he's generated over $400,000, which is obviously insane. Again, he did the most amount of his sales through TikTok Live. So going ahead and checking out a completely unrelated TikTok Live, if you guys wanted to live stream, essentially what I would recommend doing is you want to go ahead and have a box that says something to the tune of this. It says Black Friday sale, flash sale, free shipping up to 50% off, and $40 only free shipping. Essentially what people are looking for with these live streams is they're looking for the best possible deal on the specific product. Because people already know about this product, or people already know about the Golby multivitamins, they want to look up the best deal for the thing, and because TikTok is recommending them this video, that means that this guy is going to get the commission for when they buy. And as we showed earlier from this guy right here, Grayson Deals, he sold over 2.7 thousand units, which literally generated him about $60,000 in commission in a 6-hour stream. But keep in mind, guys, that he did do some shorter streams as well. We can actually get a snippet of the stream right here with Fastmoss. This is another reason why you guys should be using Fastmoss.
Crazy glitch going on right now, guys. Add for about secret, you're gonna see crazy deals. You're going to see $10 off.
It's because, as you guys can see right here, he's just 40% off.
You're going to see a free bottle if you add 50 cents per bottle.
Just go ahead
right now, it should be like $13 even less, guys.
Because it only says 0.01, and he's just getting people to buy it over time. This is extremely smart. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that you can actually create a 24/7 live stream on TikTok really, really easily. That does not require much work at all, and you don't actually have to be there for it. So I have a couple TikTok live streams right here on this thing called a RDP server, which if you guys want to set up an RDP server, I'm going to be showing you how to a little bit later in the video. But if you guys want an RDP server, what is an RDP server? A RDP server is just a remote desktop connection server that is running Windows. I pay about $20 a month for this server right here, and it allows me to run about 2 streams at a time. But if I wanted to run like 8 streams, I would have to pay about $80 a month. The RDP server makes it really, really convenient because I don't have to leave my computer on all the time. I can just set this up and forget about it. If you guys wanted to run something like this, all you guys would have to do is just set up your own RDP server. I would recommend using rdpwindows.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below to go ahead and sign up to RDP Windows. If it's something that you guys are interested in me making a full video tutorial on how to do, let me know. I would love to do it for you guys. And if you guys also go ahead and sign up to RDP Windows with the link in the description, that's going to go ahead and help me out a ton. For full transparency, I will get a small kickback on your subscription, but I would not recommend it if I didn't really like the service. I've never had any downtime with any one of their servers, and I can literally run this thing permanently in perpetuity throughout the universe and everything will be fine. If you guys want to run something like this, all you guys have to do is just download OBS onto the RDP desktop itself. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a scene and then add a media source. You're going to want to click plus and then add media source right here. And then when you guys go to the media source right here, when you guys open it, is that you guys are going to want to record a video and then go ahead and put it into OBS by selecting the file right here. You guys can also go ahead and edit it if you want to, of course. And then all you have to do is just click loop and restart playback when source becomes active. Go ahead and click OK. And then what's going to happen is that once this video runs out in duration, it's just going to restart the video. But if you stream it directly to TikTok themselves, which by the way, if you guys don't know how to do that, you can go to settings, go to stream right here, and then select the TikTok service, and then connect your TikTok TikTok live stream with a stream key. And that is literally the golden ticket that people would probably charge you thousands of dollars that I just gave for you for completely free on how to set up a 24/7 TikTok live stream. Now, before you guys go ahead and get started with TikTok live or whatever you plan on doing, I would still really recommend getting Fastmoss, because it makes it so easy to find the hottest products and the biggest commission products on TikTok Shop. If you guys sign up to Fastmoss using my link in the description and you guys get an annual plan with it, you will save over 30% on your annual plan, meaning that you will only be charged about $37 per month. And that is honestly a huge deal for the amount of golden information that you get by using Fastmoss. There's so much to get into with the software that I didn't even have time for in this video. You guys can do things like set up custom alerts, so whenever a certain product hits a certain milestone, you will know about it. Or if you're interested in actually creating your own product on TikTok Shop, you can do that and then find the best affiliates for that by using Fastmoss and actually know what their average CPM, which is how much they're making per 1,000 views, so you know how much to pay them. So if a creator, for example, is making an average of $40 per 1,000 views and you go ahead and pay them only $10 per 1,000 views, yeah, that's gonna be quite a bit of money for you. If you guys have any questions, make sure to go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you want to see more videos just like this, make sure to go ahead and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications. I have a video on my channel teaching you guys how to skip the 5,000 follower TikTok Shop affiliate requirement limit. It is a working method that is currently unpatched but might be patched later in the future. So if that sounds like an interesting watch, make sure to go ahead and click on that video right here, right now.